How to add Apple Pay button to Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, and then scroll down to additional payment methods and click on add payment methods. Here you will click on the search bar and search for Apple Pay, and if you can't find it, click on the three dots next to it and search for provider that's called 2C2P, and this is a payment methods provider that provide over 80 different payment methods. And if we went to their right here, you can see that they provide Apple Pay as a payment method. So let's click on it to activate it and install the app. Let's scroll down and click on connect to install the app in our Shopify store. Click on install app and then wait for it to be installed. And once the app has been installed, scroll down and click on manage from the account status, because the app is installed but it's not yet activated. So what you need to do right here is you need to go to the 2C2P website and create an account and provide your information and stuff, so you can link the account and the app to your Shopify store. And obviously I can't do that because I can't give my personal information and stuff like that, but it's basically a very easy process that anyone can do. And once you do that, you will be able to select Apple Pay as a payment method. So that is it for this video. That's how you can add and enable Apple Pay as a payment method on your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.